Modal verbs. I might. I should. I can. May I? Modal verb is an auxiliary verb that expresses necessity or possibility. So when exactly do we use modal verbs? Modals. Expressing possibility. Expressing obligation. Expressing ability. Asking for permission, giving permission. Expressing possibility. I might change the world soon. Modals. May. Might. Could. Expressing obligation. I should be a good student. Modals. Should. Have to. Must. Expressing ability. I can be anything I want. Modals. Can. Could. Asking for or giving permission. Can we go out and play? Modals. May. Can. Could. Time for examples. Expressing possibility. May. I may need your help on this project. Might. I might be late. It might rain tonight. Could. What could possibly go wrong? Expressing obligation or advice. Should. You should tell her. You should study more to improve your grades. Have to. I have to go home. My parents are waiting for me. Must. Students must be quiet during the lesson. Expressing ability. Can. I can ride a motorbike. Could. He could walk when he was 3. Asking for and giving permission. May. May I leave the table? Can. Can I go with you? Yes, you can. Could. Could I go first? I'm in a hurry. Yes, you could. Let's sum up. Ability. Can. Could. Permission. Can. Could. May. Advice. Should. Obligation. Must. Have to. Possibility. Might. May. Could. Can. Thanks for watching. For more educational content like this, like and subscribe to Free English Course channel.